baseline. Girl, them a wine and a bubble, bubble. Now wine they a cause trouble, trouble. Hey, girl.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So in today's vlog, I'll be teaching my American friend how to speak patois. So I'm gonna be asking him some questions and a few words just for him to figure out what is it that I'm saying in patois. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so. Leave me any questions or comments in the description bar below. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Let's do it.
All right. This should be fun. I'm so excited. So
And forgive me if I don't know the words.
you'll do fine.
All right.
I think you'll do okay. All right. So the first thing I'm gonna ask you, me want water.
Do you want water? Do you want water?
Me want. You're gonna repeat what I say first, and then tell me what it means.
All right.
Okay. So me want water.
Me want water. I want water.
Say it home. Me say it first.
All right. Me want water.
No, let me say. Me want water.
Me want water.
Yeah. So what does that mean?
I want water.
Yeah. Ah, good job. Mo friend someone.
Say it one more time.
Mo friend someone.
Move friend someone. Oh, you saying
I'm gonna say it again. Move friend someone.
move faster, man.
No. Move from yaso man.
Move from asshole, man.
No.
Fuck.
Listen. Move from yaso man. Move from yaso man. Move from yaso man.
Fuck. I give up on that one. I give up.
Try. Come again. Move from yaso man.
Move from asshole, man. That's what it sounds like. I don't know.
Move from yaso man.
Move from yeso, man.
Yeah. So say it fast now. Move from yaso man.
Move from yeso, man.
Yes, that's what I said. So what does it mean now?
I still don't grasp it. I don't get it. I give up on that one. I give up on that one.
Alright, so that means move from here. Like move away.
Oh my God. That's some easy shit I could have got, but I couldn't get it. Move from yeso, man.
Alright. Pickney.
Pickney?
Pickney.
Pickney.
Pickney. I wanted that pickney, man.
I was picking with that man.
No. I wanted that pickney, man.
I don't get that either.
That means what's wrong with a child.
Oh.
Pickney is child.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna get that one. I'm telling you, I wasn't gonna get that one at all.
Alright, another one. Top look for me.
Say it one more time.
Top look for me.
Repeat it one more time.
Top look for me.
Top look pommy.
Top look for me.
He look bummy.
No. Top look for me.
Man, this shit is so difficult.
It's not difficult.
I love y'all accent, but I don't get that one.
Top look for me.
Damn.
Stop looking at me.
Stop looking at me.
Yeah.
Damn, see, I will never got that. Damn. Your subscribers gonna be like, this nigga dumb as hell.
Alright, next one.
Fuck.
Move over here, sir.
Reiterate it one more time.
Move over here, sir.
Move over here, son.
Say it how I say it. Move over here, sir.
Move over here, son.
Yeah. So what does that mean now?
Move over here.
Yay! You got that all right.
That's about what? 2 out of 6?
All right, next one. Oh, Me need something for them.
Repeat.
Me need something for them.
I interpreted a little slow.
Me need something for them.
Me need something from here.
No, say it how I say it. Me need something for them.
Me need something from them.
Me need something for them.
Me need something from them.
Not for them. Me need something for them.
Me need something from them.
No. Say it how I say it.
Alright, cool.
Me need something for them.
Me need something from them. Me need something from them.
Me need something for them. Alright, so that means I need something to eat.
Oh, I wasn't gonna get that. It don't come out like that. Like, it sound like me need something for now.
For now.
Yeah. Not eat. Like, yeah, I suck at this. But I don't feel bad because I know all Americans probably won't pass this test.
Alright, give me a phone, make a call.
Give me a phone so I can make a call.
Yeah, well, how did I say it?
Give me a phone, make a call.
Give me your phone, make me make a call.
Give me your phone, make a call.
Give me your phone, make me make a call.
Give me your phone, make a call.
Alright, something like that. Alright, cool. Which other one now?
Damn, I suck, don't show it.
Me want water.
Me want water.
Alright.
That was easy.
Alright.
See little shit like that I can get.
Yeah. What else should I ask you? That girl that is hard.
That girl is hot.
That girl that is hard. Say what I say and then tell me what it means. That girl that is hard.
That girl, it is hot.
Come again, me not hear you. Come again.
That girl, it is hot.
No. The girl that ears hard.
That girl, that is hard.
Almost, yeah. What does it mean?
That girl ears hard.
Yeah. So she's kind of like stubborn or she's not listening.
That's what that means?
Yeah.
In America, she's stubborn. She's stuck up.
I know, but like we add a lot more words
Yeah,
to
I know.
complete.
Y'all make it difficult. Damn.
All right.
I know I will fail everything in the school system over there.
I need to comb my head.
I need to comb my hair.
You got it. You got it. All right. Next one is a beer like you tell. Repeat what I say and then tell me what it means. A beer like you tell.
A beer liar tell.
Yeah. What does that mean?
You a liar.
Yes.
Only if they know.
Look on the girl there.
Look at that girl.
Hey, y'all get bright man. Alright, I so nice.
You so nice.
Repeat what I say and then tell me what it means. I so nice.
I so nice.
What does that mean?
You so nice.
No. I so nice.
She so nice.
No. I so nice.
Damn.
That is like, I don't know, like going to a party or being somewhere and you're enjoying yourself. So basically you're saying, oh, it's nice here.
It's lit.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Damn. Damn. That was the one I had trouble with.
You want me to kick you down?
You want to kick it?
No. You want me to kick you down?
You want me to kick you down?
Yeah.
Oh,
What am I saying?
I don't want you to kick me down.
So, so what am I saying?
You want me to kick you down? You
Yeah.
want me to kick your ass?
Something like that, yeah.
Something
Kicking you
like
down, yeah. Alright, I'll give you that one. Me want go and dance tonight.
I want to dance tonight.
Me want go and dance tonight.
Me and my girls want to dance tonight.
No. Me want go, I want dance tonight.
Me want to go one dance tonight. We gonna dance tonight.
No.
Watch when that you reveal his answer. It's gonna be so fucking hard.
Me want go and dance tonight. What is dance?
Dance, like dance. Dance is dance.
Dance is like party.
Party.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to go to the party, the club tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, so that's what it is.
Yeah.
You want to go to the club tonight?
Yeah. Give me some money now.
Give me some money now.
Give me some money now.
Give me some money.
Yeah, well, yeah. I'm not afraid of no boy.
I'm not afraid of nobody.
You got that one right. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. So that brings me to the end of the vlog. But before I go, do you know any Jamaican slang that you want to say? Like, what do you know in Jamaica?
Oh,
Like,
wagwan.
what does that mean?
What's happening?
What else do you know? What else did you learn?
Bummer clock.
What?
Bummer clock. Bummer clock you, bro.
What is that?
Fuck you. It could be used in a variety of bad words, so
What else do you know?
damn, all the words you just told me.
What else do you know? You always around Jamaicans, so what else do you hear them say?
Rastaman.
Rastaman.
What that mean?
Rastaman, like the men that grow their locks.
Bless you. Bless you. Coronavirus.
Alright, so what else do you want to say before I close this video out to my peeps? Talk to my peeps.
Big up to yourselves. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for all you new followers and you new watchers. Subscribe to Shellyposh. That way.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.